Welcome to Homework Lib.
Good day. In this question, we are asked to identify the empirical formula of the four ionic compounds from, from the given ions. So the given ions here are lead 4 plus, the chromate 2 minus, ammonium, and cyanide. So in writing the chemical formula of ionic compounds, we combine the positive and negative charges, which are the cation and anion. And the subscript of the cut or the charge of the other ion will be the subscript of the other. So from here we have Pb4 plus and chromate 2 minus. This will give us Pb2 chromate 4. So since this can still be reduced, we can write this as Pb chromate. For Pb4 plus and cyanide, we will have Pb cyanide. Next, for NH4 plus, ammonium and chromate 2 minus, this will give us NH4 2 chromate. And lastly, for the ammonia, ammonium and cyanide, this will give us ammonium cyanide. Thank you.